the only two affiliates in the Carolina League with Chicago parent clubs. The Pelicans with the Cubs, the Dash with the White Sox. They wrapped up this three-game set from TicketReturn.com field at Pelicans ballpark. Trevor Clifton on his game tonight for Myrtle Beach. Down goes Garrison Montilla in the first. Keon Barnum, goodbye in the second inning. Then the next batter, Marcus Davis. He fanned 4 times in this game. Clifton a career-high 10 strikeouts. Scoring has been a problem and supported him all year, but not there. Jason Vossler, Miller Mott moment of the game, drilling his first home run to deep right field. And the Birds didn't know it at the time, but that would be all they would need all game. Trying to add some insurance in the 7th. Daniel Lockhart up. Vossler on third. Little fly ball to center field to Adam Engel. That'll send him far back enough to score Vossler from third and make it 2-0. Then, hey, how about one more sacrifice fly for good measure? Ian Happ with the dish. Charcer Burks on third. That's a line drive that Adam Engel makes a really nice play to catch. It was far enough. They ruled it a catch for Burks to score from third base and make it 3-0. James Ferris hitting the final 4 outs of the ball game in the 9th for his 6th save. But, of course, the story today, Trevor Clifton, 10 strikeouts. That's a career high, the most for any pitcher this year. 0 walks, 0 runs, 4 hits allowed in only 6 innings of work. He is 1-3. Jason Vossler, another multi-hit game, 2 for 3 at the dish. The solo home run in the second and a double to lead off the 7th inning. Obviously, he would come around and score. Myrtle Beach not great offensively today. Only 5 hits for the game, but it was enough in their 3-0 victory. They win their 3-game homestand against the Winston-Salem Dash. On the road to Frederick for the next 4 before returning home to see, the same Dash from Tuesday all the way through Thursday of next week. Hannah, how about a look at the upcoming promotions?
Thank you, Scott. We'll be right back here at the ballpark Tuesday the 17th to kick off a 7-game homestand. Friday is going to be music night here at the ballpark, and Saturday is military appreciation night. It's going to be another great homestand here at TicketReturn.com field. We'll see you at the ballpark.